Alright guys, I'm doing a review of this Coco bubble tea. I've never tried Coco bubble tea. I've only ever tried was the Gongcha bubble tea. So this one is passion fruit with no sugar. And we're going to do a quick taste test. Okay, here we go. Let's do this. Ooh, okay, so what I found is the tea is not as strong as the Gongcha tea. Like, it's not as astringent, but this has. Let me do another taste. It has almost the same passion fruit taste to Gongcha. So the only difference really is the tea strength, and I think Gongcha's tea strength is much stronger than this one. So other than that, it's actually pretty good. Definitely check it out, guys. Any questions, comments, subscribe to the channel.